How to get Sunday NFL ticket discount. Today we are going to learn how to get NFL Sunday ticket Best Buy discount. So let's get started. First, there are the offer for members of Best Buy to get discount on NFL Sunday ticket. So what are these? NFL Sunday ticket gives you cut-off market Sunday afternoon games, and YouTube TV gives you local and national NFL games along with 100 plus live TV channels like ABC, CBS, Fox, NBC and ESPN. Together you get the most live NFL games all in one place on better discount. You can start watching in minutes, no 2-year contract or satellite dish required, watch on any concerned device, monthly payment plan is available. Now watch up to 5 or 4 live games on one screen, multi-view, track your team and watch the game all in one place with Fantasy View. These are all the experience if you can get from Best Buy. So what you have to do, you have to be on Best Buy and you can select Sunday ticket, and then you have two options, pickup or shipping. As in my case, pickup option is not available. I will click on the one that is available in my region and click on the add to cart or buy now if I want to buy only one. So that's how I will be able to get the discount on Sunday ticket from Best Buy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.